Entrepreneurship Training provides the skills, resources, and support needed for women to start and grow an online business in a changing modern economy that requires flexibility, accessibility, and scalability. We don't believe in using get-rich-quick hype to attract students. There's really no magic, just proven best practices for earning money online that fits your schedule using practical lessons. Masterclasses cover selecting the right online business model, creating an actionable mission statement, market positioning, choosing and filing a business, selecting the right business structure, legal and compliance essentials, financial essentials, product sourcing, branding basics, testing for proof of concept, launching a business, funding the business, building sales funnels that generate leads and acquire customers, and more. Included are workbooks, checklists, and step-by-step guides to help apply what is being learned. The Masterclasses include a basic training 60-minute crash course and a comprehensive boot camp with 9 modules and 36 lessons. All courses are self-study with videos on demand, allowing the student to proceed at a pace most comfortable and convenient for them. We'll show you step-by-step how to build a future that puts you in charge while bringing in a second income today. Our Masterclasses are designed to lead women into a future where they control their destiny. For women in the military, an online business can be undertaken part-time at hours that do not conflict with their military responsibilities, and can be run from anywhere in the world with internet access. This flexibility allows the military woman entrepreneur to generate extra income that can grow into a substantial nest egg for later. This nest egg can help fund the down payment for a new home, build a college fund for the kids, or build a more comfortable retirement fund. For military wives, the portability of an online business provides a job that seamlessly goes with them everywhere the military takes them. No more starting from scratch each time their spouse is transferred. For veterans and women who have left the service, a part-time online business started today can grow into a full-time career opportunity, ready and waiting for them to step into when they retire or leave the service. For those who have already retired or left the service, it can scale quickly with the right strategies and effort. In short, with online business continuing to explode and the barriers to entry significantly lowered or removed, with this type of business, this is ideal for women currently serving in the military, military spouses, and women veterans. The scope of this market is nearly 2 million women we seek to train and empower for what comes next. Military women always receive discounted tuition. All courses are self-study, available on demand, and proceed at your own pace. To learn more about Earn While You Serve courses, visit www.militarywomen.earnwhileyouserve.com.